Hey everybody, register for the first time homebuyer class, or tell someone else that needs to register for my first time homebuyer class. February 25th at 5:30. We have limited spacing because of COVID restrictions. We will be doing it in person. So pass along the link in the email, click register to make sure you get a seat. And like I said, pass it along to anyone else that you think might be interested if it's not something for you, if you already own a home. But I did want to talk a little bit about what the market is doing and everybody that is either selling a home or buying a home over appraised value and what that means for you. So if you are looking at buying a home and you're getting financing on the home, which most of us are, unless you've got a lot of cash from selling a home or an inheritance or something like that, you have to be prepared to offer above the appraised value. And the financing is going to only finance whatever the terms are based off of the appraised value. For example, if you were to buy a home at $400,000, but the appraisal only comes in at $390,000. Your financing is going to be based off of $390,000. So then there's a $10,000 discrepancy. And so in a normal market, you just go back to the seller and say, hey, appraisal came in low, can we drop the price? And we're not in a normal market. And so now sellers know that people are offering way above what the home will actually appraise for. So they're looking for offers that say, we will pay up to $10,000 in cash to cover any difference if the appraisal comes in low. And so as a buyer, you have to be prepared for that right now because there's so much competition for getting an offer accepted. That's one big thing that is that's getting offers accepted right now, is being willing to do that and writing that in the contract and the offer from the get-go. Now, as a home seller, that works great for you too, because you're going to get more than what your home is worth, likely. And so you're looking for those offers that are coming in where you figure out who has the most cash available. And so when you have a home listed for sale, your real estate agent is going to figure out what is the right price that it would appraise for and how to list it correctly, and then help you navigate all of those offers that you might get. So it's important to have a professional that's helping you, that's guiding you through all of that, either as a buyer or a seller. So you need not just any real estate agent, but a top-notch real estate agent that knows how to handle this kind of a market. So if you have questions, please reach out to me. If you need a good contact and you're thinking about buying or thinking about selling, I can get you pointed in the right direction. But if you have questions on first-time home buying, please feel free to register for the class. I'd love to see you. And if you need anything else in the meantime, give me a call or shoot me an email. Thanks.